iguanas. There are thousands of them. And yet there's nothing on the island for these vegetarians to eat. Or almost nothing. Cormorants bring seaweed ashore with which to make their nests. But what is building material for a cormorant is food for an iguana. Both these species evolved here, but that doesn't necessarily make them good neighbours. No matter, he knows where there's more elsewhere. He's a marine iguana, the only lizard in the world that gets its food from the sea. The seaweed on which he totally relies only grows in abundance here because of the nutrients brought by the Cromwell Current. Once in the water, he has just 30 minutes to find food. Any longer than that, and his muscles will seize up and he'll drown. For like most reptiles, he can't handle the cold. His flat face and sharp teeth make him an efficient seaweed cropping machine, but with the clock ticking, he must eat fast. One last mouthful, and it's also time for the iguana to head for home. So he could do without the attentions of an inquisitive sea lion. He's out, but he stayed in the cold so long that he's lost his strength. And he's made it. And tomorrow he'll have to do it all over again. Unless next time he can outwit his neighbour.